Hi, I'm Sarah Chapman. In celebration of our self-care week, we're really looking at how to give ourselves some TLC, how to look after ourselves during these challenging times. It's so important. And sleep is always so important. It's important to how we feel, it's important to how we look from a skincare perspective. Sleep is when our cell regeneration takes place. There's so much activity that goes on between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. in the morning while you're sleeping. Your skin is regenerating. So we have collaborated with some fantastic well-being and lifestyle brands to bring you the ultimate beauty sleep set, so that during these challenging times we can encourage you to have a pampering, beautiful experience every time you go to sleep, but also work at regenerating your skin. So let's have a look at what's in this set. We start with Overnight Facial. Overnight Facial is our beauty sleep in a bottle. It's been called 8 hours sleep in a bottle, beauty sleep in a bottle. It's a wonderful elixir. You put it on at night. It conditions, nourishes. It's also got vitamin A. It's got dimaxyl peptide. It has this incredible aroma. Jasmine rose, frangipani, tuberose. It's like stepping into a spa or an exotic island, or it's like being wrapped up in a cashmere blanket. And whilst you go to bed, you have those wonderful smells. Your skin feels silky soft, and you wake up in the morning and it's glowy and radiant. So all of those fantastic actives have worked for you while you sleep. So you're going to put that on just before you go to bed. Literally breathe away the worries of the day and take a deep inhalation. And then we've also put in Overnight Lip Concentrate. This is an incredibly nourishing lip treatment. It's for the lips, but it's also for the area around the lips, so any fine lines, any dehydration. Super nourishing, but again, lots of active ingredients in here to plump up the lips, to smooth the lines. Lots of science goes into this. Really easy to use. You just click the pen and you just paint that onto your lips before you go to bed. Central heating is so dehydrating for the lips, but I have noticed from lots of our community as well, and lots of our clients have been saying that wearing face coverings is really irritating the lips because of the fibres from cloths onto the actual lips themselves. So this will be your nighttime sort of restorer that will help address all of that from the daytime. So in the evening, you've done your cleanse, you put on your Overnight Facial, you inhale that gorgeous scent, your skin feels soft, your lips are moisturised, and you're just about to get into bed. And then you have the Olverum pillow mist. This is a wonderful pillow mist. A couple of sprays onto your pillow. It smells so fresh. To me, it smells like freshly kind of laundered linen in a 5-star hotel on the island of Capri. It's clean, it's fresh, but it has high altitude lavender in it, and lavender we know is so superbly relaxing. So it's going to really work with the mind. We've worked with your skin. This is working with your mind. It's creating a space so that when you get into bed, you can really drop into that beautiful sleep. So the Olverum pillow mist is in there. And then when you really want to shut out the world, you have the Gingerlily eye mask. And so this you can just pop over your eyes. It's super soft silk and padded. It's going to block out any light for you. It's going to block out the world, actually, if you just want to go into your own cocoon with this incredible aroma of the Overnight Facial and the pillow mist all surrounding you. Great if you want daytime naps as well, because you can just pop this on and have a little snooze. So some really beautiful products for you. This makes a lovely gift as well. If somebody keeps saying to you, I'm not sleeping at the moment, it's so stressful, my mind is buzzing. This is a great, beautiful set to give to somebody, to give them that gift of sleep. And maybe that's you, and actually sometimes it's good just to treat yourself. So during our self-care week, don't forget to look after yourself and maybe try this wonderful beauty sleep experience exclusively on sarahchapman.com just for a limited period of time.